Welcome back to my vlog. What's going on, guys? It's Duke. I'm here in Jamaica. I'm at Little Ochie. They sell fish and like seafood and stuff like that here. I'll take you guys along for whatever happens today, whatever seems to be interesting. I'll talk to you guys later. So what they do here is the fishermen bring in the fish and we can select the fish that we want and cook it immediately. So right now I'm sitting here with my family and we're waiting for our fish to be cooked. Fried, steamed, jerked, and all that stuff.
Those are lobsters, we're on the beach side.
I'll show you guys what we ordered when the order comes back. This is where I am right now. Looks like bamboo or something like that on the roof.
I can get this silver. I can get this silver. Where people are big, you think? I know people want coal. Oh God Almighty, people want a coal now that look bad. One coal? What's sweat, man?
Okay, so this is what we ordered. We ordered jerk fish. Take a look at it. Jerk fish. Looks like that. And we ordered fried fish. Looks like this. And steamed fish. And bami. And festival. Most of you guys don't know what bami is, but yeah, that's what we're eating here at Little Ochie.